let's learn a rattlesnake kiss. It's choreographed by Maddison Glover. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn a rattlesnake kiss. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 quarter turning chugs. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, rocking our right foot to the right side. And as you rock to the right, you're going to push your hip to the right. You're going to take both hands and flick them out at your hip height. You're now going to recover onto your left foot. You're facing 9 o'clock. We're going to repeat that, making a quarter turn over your left shoulder, rocking your right foot to the right side, pushing your right hip out, and do your hands to the side, and then recover onto your left foot. We're now going to do a right step, lock, step, scuff. So we're going to step our right foot forward. You're going to lock your left foot behind your right, step forward with your right foot, and scuff your left heel. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your 2 quarter turning chugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a left rocking chair. So we're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto your right, rock back with your left foot, recover forward onto your right. We're now going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to make a quarter pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock. Cross your left over your right, and then step your right foot to the right side. So let's try that with some counts. We just scuffed our left heel. You're doing your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to step back with our left foot, slightly angling our body towards 7:30, and you're going to hook your right foot over your left. You're now going to step forward with your right foot. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to step back with our right foot and hook our left foot over our right. Step forward with your left and sweep your right from back to front. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right facing 9 o'clock. You're doing your back hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a weave quarter turn. So we're going to cross our right over our left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock. Now, you have a choice how to end the dance. You can either do 2 walks forward, right, left, or there is a twister option or a turning option where you can do a half-half or a full turn instead of those walks. So you'd come out of your half pivot, you would do a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. Make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. And then you would start the dance all over again. I like to especially do the full turn on parts where it talks about a storm or a turnaround or stuff like that in the lyrics. It does kind of fit that music, but you could choose to just walk, or you could turn the whole thing, or you could do what I do and kind of pick where you would like to do it. Both are listed on the step sheet, so you get to choose. So let's try it with some counts. We would have just swept our right around. You're going to do your weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. When I do it with the steps, I'm going to do the walk. When I do it with the counts, I'm going to do it with the turn so that you can see how to do both, since they do have the same count phrasing. So weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our quarter chug. So it's quarter, chug, and your step, lock, step, scuff, left rocking chair, step, quarter pivot, cross, side, back hook, forward, quarter, back, back hook, step, sweep. Now your weave, cross, side, behind, quarter, step, half pivot, walk, walk. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your chugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And no matter what you're doing, the 2 walks or those halves, you're going right into your chugs on the next wall. So now let's talk about the ending. you'll be ending doing your weave quarter turn, and all you're going to do is, instead of doing your half pivot, we're just going to do a quarter pivot with a cross. So you'll be facing 3 o'clock out of your weave quarter turn. You're going to step forward with your right foot, make that quarter pivot over your left shoulder to face 12 o'clock, and then cross your right over your left, and that is how you will end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your 2 quarter chug. So it's quarter, chug, step, lock, step, scuff, rocking chair, quarter pivot, cross side. Now your back hook, forward quarter back hook, step sweep, weave quarter turn, step, half pivot, walk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Quarter chug, step, lock, step, scuff, rocking chair, step, quarter pivot, cross, side, back hook, forward quarter back hook, step sweep. Now your weave, quarter turn, half pivot, walk, quarter chug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now again, you can choose how you end that 4th section. You can either do 2 walks forward the whole time, you could do the 2 half turns, or you can rotate between the 2 like I did in the rear facing demo. That choice is up to you. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn a rattlesnake kiss. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.